Right. So in today's session, we are going to discuss about the importance of data security, followed by the kind of challenges that we are facing, followed by this. What are the practices that we need to follow to ensure data security, especially on the healthcare applications point of view? Majorly, when we try to understand about healthcare organizations, when they want to modernize their data systems and all, they majorly needs some robust data security measures, which must be non-negotiable to protect sensitive patient information from any breaches, or at the same time ensuring any compliances with any data protection regulations, critical concerns, all that. So in that regard, so when we try to understand about data security, which is majorly a top priority in health industry, to safeguard sensitive patient information, which is majorly critical. So, in that regard, so first of all, we must be knowing about what are the challenges are there in this. So, challenges were majorly, I'm just mentioning out of my research and experience, right? So, I'm mentioning few of the challenges. It can be many, but few challenges. One about the cyber security threats, because the prime target for cyber security, where data will be majorly in the online platform, right? So even we are using everything in order to safeguard that, we are using an encrypted format. So cyber security threat can be one challenge. Next, compliance with any healthcare regulations and all, because we must ensure compliance regulations like HIPAA, right? So which requires healthcare organization to implement stringent data security measures to be taken so that it should not be comply with the failure, which can be result in severe penalties and loss of trust, etc. The third about managing unstructured data, because unstructured medical data like doctors' notes, any lab reports, imaging of data, right? So presents unique challenges in terms of security and integration. So in this process, whatever NLP, which is called natural language processing, is increasingly being used to transform this unstructured medical data into an actionable insights, where we are adopting artificial intelligence here, because data security to secure data more than earlier, adopting artificial intelligence followed by the patterns, algorithms, and behavior of the particular situation, etc., can be integrated with the AI. These are the challenges with generally in data security that we see. Now, if we want to have to secure the data, because what practices that are to ensure data security in healthcare will be classified into two parts. One is about the technical controls, second about the operational controls. Technical controls, the first one about the data encryption part, because encrypting the data in a form of EDI files, etc., so that the data will be intercepted during the transmission by encryption, will be encryption and decryption format. So this is one of the critical measures to protect the patient information, right? So that's the reason why we are following EDI codes, right? So electronic data interchanges, where data transmission happens through electronic formats. Next one about access controls. Access controls like implementing robust access control measures like multi-factor authentications or any role-based access controls, so that all these things will ensure authorized personnel can access sensitive data. Third, about regularly security audits, because conducting regular security audits will be helpful in identifying the vulnerabilities in the system. At the same time, it also ensures the data security measures are up to date. Now, second about the operational controls. Operational controls, the first one about security and compliance committees, because establishing a dedicated committee to oversee any security and compliances which are helpful in ensuring these areas so that we can receive necessary attention and resources in this point. When it comes to this is a common point I mentioned you because ongoing training awareness can be given to protect the data security protocols so that whatever the emerging threats that we identified are more important and so that we can maintain culture of security within the organization through this training awareness programs, all that. So these are the practices which we can ensure data security in the field of healthcare. This is all about this.